Ukiran Varma ubalayay daka kejat ban ay mensim ya kinong shnong ban ay snam sngoba ulawan poi hanong ba shilong haka arpo terik nailur. Ukiran uday ubana nong ba Delhi ulayay kejat keleng keri India ban ay mensim ya kinong shnong ban ay snam. Haba keren bat kinong thok kubor ukiran Varma ulayathu bakathong jung uban yai kejat syabaro kawe keri India kalong ba ukwa ban pensai pai ba halor ka jingdon kam ya kasnam kam tam hakipor kapang ka shitom bat ula ay mensim ya kiweiru bakin wan syakmat ban senyang yala kasnam na ka benta ka imlang salang bat ban yarab ya ki badan kam kerki ban pen im ya ki mensim brio.
And I am walking 21,000 kilometers all across India for the awareness of blood donation. I started my walk on 28 December 2021 from Kerala to Vendram, and from Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Dadra, Daman, Diu, Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Sikkim, and now Meghalaya. I have covered 15,700 kilometers till now. The only mission behind my walk is that nobody should die waiting for blood after 31st December 2025. Nowhere in India people should die waiting for blood, because every day more than 12,000 people die. And that is only possible when we encourage at least 5 million people all across India. And if you see in Meghalaya, it's more important because out of 12 districts, 5 districts don't have blood bank. And also people in tribal part, they don't have access to blood bank, and also they are not willing to donate blood too often. My focus is to encourage more and more people in Meghalaya, so that in Meghalaya, if there is not even a blood bank, but at least where there are blood bank, they can support other districts as well where there is no blood bank. I was in Tura, I met with the DC sir over there, Jagdishji, and they, after my walk, they started one blood bank in Pulbadi, which was not operational at that moment of time. That is the impact we are creating. In William Nagar is taking support from Tura Blood Bank Civil Hospital. And when I went there, DC sir also committed there that we are going to try and encourage more and more people. In Meghalaya, all the churches are very strong, and every week people are gathering there for mass church service. And for me, it is very important to make sure that people who are coming forward at churches every week, they should at least get motivated through blood donation. Because once I went out of Meghalaya, it will be very difficult for me to keep motivating people in Meghalaya. But churches can do. Not just churches, but also other societies as well, like Sikh communities, Marwadi communities, and all these communities. Because these civic societies can create a huge impact. My mission is that because of the Kwai, cancer patients are increasing in Meghalaya, and we can reduce it by donating blood. Because if a person is a regular blood donor, the chances of getting cancer get reduced. If you see, blood donation is a very important thing, and not for saving someone's life, but also for ourselves. Because when you donate blood, your heart gets healthy. When you donate blood, you don't get heart attack. Diabetes chances are very less, and also cancer is also very less in regular blood donors. So for this particular thing, that the tobacco intake in Meghalaya, it can really help people to reduce cancer chances as well. People, whether it's Khasi, Garo, or anywhere, to come forward and start donating blood. This is not just for today, but also for the future, so that our kids should not face any problem of blood shortage in Meghalaya, in any part of Meghalaya. And I am requesting the administration to kindly work more and more along with churches, so that we can encourage more people, create infrastructure to build more blood banks in district where there is no blood bank. And that is the whole target to come to Meghalaya for me here. So my walk is going to cover rest of the northeast part as well. So after Meghalaya, I'm going to go to Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland, and other part of northeast. And from there, I'm going to cover every state and union territory of India to make sure that my message goes to every part of India, and nobody should die waiting for blood after 31st December 2025 anywhere in India. That's it from my side, and I request you all to kindly support me by just donating blood, nothing to do more for this cause.